Value proposition. Creating a value proposition is part of a business strategy when the strategy is based on a differentiated customer value proposition. Value proposition is the thing that determines whether people will stop to learn more about your product or service or move on to other options. It's also the main thing you need to test. If you get it right, it'll be a huge boost. A value proposition is a promise of value to be delivered. It's the primary reason a prospect should buy from you. In a nutshell, value proposition is a clear statement that explains how your product solves customers' problems or improves their situation, relevancy, delivers specific benefits, quantified value, tells the ideal customer why they should buy from you and not from the competition, unique differentiation. You have to present your value proposition as the first thing the customers or clients see. Then it must be so strong that they are so intrigued to take the next step in establishing a relationship with you.